Hi, I'm so happy today to see our DLD members and friends gather here to celebrate our success together.
All the leaders, all the business associates, I think we all deserve a big round of applause. Thanks to Darren also. Alright?
I can feel the very strong energy in DLD event today. So I believe going forward, his division and our cross division will definitely grow even stronger together.
He's always helping us and giving us the right solution and serving our customer. Everybody put in effort as a team, and we always have this, and it's actually bond us together more. At the same time, it helps us in doing all the team building and actually having trust and confidence in each other. So we will always be together, and also we hope that more people will join us so that we can have a bigger team and a bigger division so that we have a bigger family.
I've been in this division for 6 years already, and I thoroughly enjoy it. He's a very excellent leader, and of course the support from especially Darren. He's a very caring leader. Anything that we are not sure, we actually go to him. He is very supportive and concerned about us. As one of the team members, I would say that it's very nice to work with him.
This year, our team set a goal to empower more life together so that we can able to fulfill more dreams for our customer, our teammate, new members joining us, and for everybody. We are going to further enhance our 3T learning and our enhanced program to touch more life so that more people can benefit from this program and be better in their sales and achieve more breakthrough.
About a year ago, I decided to go full-time. Well, being in Darren's division gave me a lot of exposure. They're always ready to give me their answers and share their experience with me. Being new in this industry, this is what we need, the kind of support that we need.
If you want to know more about our 3T learning program and practical enhanced program, feel free to give any of our team member a call so that we can share with you more.